Hello guys, you are welcome to Gloriousla. My name is Raphael, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a Payoneer account. And for those who don't know what Payoneer is a platform that allows you to receive and send payments online in any currencies, either Great Britain pounds, US dollars, euros, or Japanese yen. Payoneer allows you to do that. So it's easy to charge your clients wherever they live in any part of the world, and you can easily receive the payment into your local bank account. Okay, so before we get started, I would really appreciate you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the bell notification, so when I drop amazing videos like this, you will not be left behind. So before we get started, before we start creating the Payoneer account, I would want to show you my Payoneer dashboard. So I will explain how the Payoneer interface works before we create the account. So let's get right into it. So this is my Payoneer dashboard. Okay, this is my name up here. This is the home page. So when you log in, this is what you see. And as you can see, the US dollars, euros, Great Britain. So you can see here I have no money in my Payoneer account at the moment. So, and this is my transaction just for a particular period of time. Okay, this is what you see. So Payoneer, you can download the Payoneer app if you use an Apple phone or an Android phone. Okay, so you can click here if you want to get paid, if you want to charge your client, you want to send a payment request to your client, you can easily click on this page on this place. So you fill out the details and you are good to go. So your receiving account here, you can access your receiving account. I've created two receiving accounts at the moment. I have the account, the UK account, which is can receive funds, which means I can receive funds in Great Britain pounds. Okay, so if I click here, my account details will be shown, and I have an account in the US also, which means I can receive funds in United States dollars. So, and I can create more accounts if I want. I believe if I want an account in Canada, that means I want to receive funds in Canadian dollar, I can create that. If I want an account in euros, okay, I can create that, and Japanese yen, I can do that. But since I don't need it most of the time, I use the US account because I receive funds mostly in US dollars. So that's it for the receiving account. So if you want to pay, maybe you want to pay another Payoneer user, okay, so a friend of yours, you want to pay for a service, okay, so you can use this. Okay, you can pay them directly from your Payoneer account into their Payoneer account. If you want to pay for Amazon advertising and all of that, you can do that. So moving on, you can, if you want to withdraw your funds into your local bank account, this is where you click on withdraw and transfer. So I can withdraw straight into my local bank account. All right, when I click on this place, I actually register two accounts. Okay, so most of the time, so this is my account here. So this account is a domiciliary account itself. So when I send payment from my Payoneer account, I receive it straight into my domiciliary account here in Nigeria. So I get my funds in US dollars. So that's it. So your account activity, you can see it here. So transactions, so these are the transactions that I've carried out on my account for a particular period of time. So that's it here. You can just this month, last month, whatever, this is a fresh month already. So past 90 days, you can just view your transaction, the inflow, outflow, all of that. So you can also request, okay, a card, the Payoneer card here. You can use the card in any part of the world. If you decide to travel out of the country, you can use it. You can use it to pay online. You can, but I don't have a need for it right now, so that's why I've not ordered it yet. So that's just about it. It's really easy to use. So let's get right into it. So to create our account, I would really advise you to click the link in the description below to create your account, because when you use the link below, you once you sign up, you get $25. You earn $25 just for signing up. Okay, so to get started, I'll click on sign up and earn $25. That's if you click the link in the description below anyways. So it brings us to this page. Okay, it's asking what are we really into. Okay, and if you are a freelancer, okay, online seller, affiliate marketer, or whatever. So I'm a freelancer. I'll click on freelancer. So most of the freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, you know, are the popular ones, and you know, most of them use Payoneer. So it doesn't matter, you can get paid on all these platforms using your Payoneer account. So I have a Payoneer account already, as you can see, so I'll be creating this new account for my younger brother. So let's get it right into it. So get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on register. So it brings us to this page. So on this page, this is where we are right now, getting started. There are a series of forms I would have to fill here. So once I get done with this one, I'll fill another one, then I get to this place. So I won't like to bore you with all this, so I would skip this place. I will fill this form, and I hope you do too. So I'll meet you at the end. And note, there will be a place where you'll be asked to put in your, could be your national ID card number, your driver's license, or your international passport. This is very important for verification purposes. So now that we have filled out our necessary details, we filled in our personal account number and all of that. We filled in our national ID card number and all of that. So it brings us to this page. Okay, so it says that your Payoneer, okay, that's taken out of this. So basically what it's saying there is that our Payoneer account is being created, and you know, account is being reviewed. So I would sign into the account now. Let's see what's happening there. So I will log in now. So let me log in real quick. So it's asking me to do the two-step verification there, but I skipped it. I'm not doing that now. I just want to log in. So we'll get an email. Okay, we'll get an email stating that we should confirm our email address. Okay, yeah, which I've done that already. So you have to do yours too. So let me update your security setting. Okay, you have to do that now. So yeah, when is your father's birthday? You know, all these funny questions, and just do that. Okay, so my dad's birthday is 08/13. Is that right? I'm not even sure. Okay, 05/30. So school best friend, all of this question, I don't even know. What time was the father born? I don't know. You know, just put all this. So you know, you just fill yours out as it applies to you. You know. Fill yours out as it applies to you. Okay. You input it. Okay, so we have been sent a verification code to our email. All right, so I'll get that real quick and I'll input it there now. So I've input my code, and as you can see, changes saved. So I can click on done. So let's go. So our account is being created. Well, so as you can see, our account is already created now. So we have our account ready. So that's just about it, guys. and you are good to go. You know, you can start using your Payoneer account. So if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And I really appreciate you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, so when I drop amazing videos like this, you know, you would not be left behind. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.